I want to give a really warm welcome to the city to all new and returning students at the University of the West of England and the University of Bristol. You play a hugely important role in our city. You add to the life of Bristol, you support the economy, you are parts of our communities, you support people through your volunteering activity, you give us pride, and you add to our international dynamism. It's through our student population that we have so many of our global connections that certainly as a mayor I've enjoyed as I've gone around the world championing Bristol's cause. You've already contributed so much to the fight against COVID through your universities and the research in your communities. You've joined the National Health Service as doctors, nurses and allied health professionals. You've helped manufacture through your universities PPE and hand sanitizer. You've supported food banks and so much more. And you know, we just want to recognise that the beginning of this academic year is unlike any other. It brings the added responsibility that rests on your shoulders. But this is also an opportunity for you to learn and contribute to academic developments at this incredibly unusual time. We do need you here. It supports our city, but as I said, your universities that you are part of are a huge part of our city's common good. You've worked hard over the summer to ensure, your universities have worked incredibly hard to ensure that your return here is as safe as possible. They've worked hard at creating COVID secure environments and staging staggering new student arrivals. And we recognise the overwhelming majority of you will follow the public health guidance. We expect you will continue to do so in the months ahead, and we thank you for that. We all have a responsibility to adhere to the guidance off campus too. Please remember, we know your campuses are incredibly safe, but we think the high risk is when the people are off campus in the city. And I just ask you to recognise that so many residents in the city have concerns about the return of students to the city. We've been stressing upon them just the sheer importance of our universities to Bristol life and the positive contributions students have made. And that's one of the reasons we offer you such a warm welcome. So the guidance: social distance at all times, respect the rule of 6, wear face coverings when required, wash your hands frequently, and download the NHS COVID-19 app. So importantly, large gatherings and house parties are not permitted in university halls or private rented accommodation. And whilst the COVID threat remains, this behaviour is going to be unacceptable, and swift disciplinary action will be taken, and the university will be hot on that. We do not want you to be subject to disciplinary action or fines, so that's why we're giving the guidance up front. So it's through our individual and collective efforts that we will manage to stem the spread of this virus. It's all on all of us to do the right thing. But Bristol is going to be a fantastic place for you as students. It's going to be a great home, and what you will give birth to while you're here is a lifelong relationship between you, whether you choose to stay here once you graduate or go somewhere else in the UK or around the world and this city. Thank you.